Today is gonna be a good day.
My boy! Is everything okay?
I just had a most horrible nightmare.
I'm here for you, buddy. What was it about?
It was my running gun. I started my film with me waking up in bed to my alarm.
How dare you even dream of starting your film like that, you fuck!
I know, I'm sorry.
Get that shit out of your head! There, buddy. You're okay. I'm gonna help you, alright?
But how?
This is Run and Gun's 10th anniversary we're talking about. 10 years of Vancouver's indie film community uniting for their greatest annual tradition. 10 years of blood, sweat, and tears poured into weird, shitty excuses for art slapped together in a weekend. 10 years of fucking with Run and Gun.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So how does that help me?
One of the surprise elements this year is the number 10. I just silver plattered that shit for you.
Right. Okay, thanks.
Oh, and here's a guidebook on how to make a Run and Gun.
That's great. Can you get the fuck out of our bed now?
Now.
Dixie's Diner, how can I help you?
Hi, yeah, I'm looking to rent a location for a short film. Can I ask what your rate would be?
Sure. To rent out the space after closing, we charge an hourly rate of $350.
What are you doing here?
Scouting for Run and Gun.
I'm scouting for Run and Gun.
I'm scouting for Run and Gun.
Hey! We're scouting for Run and Gun.
We probably should have crewed up.
What is this place?
Welcome to the Actors Database. Every year, a plethora of hungry performers eagerly await their destiny for an amateur filmmaker to cast them in a shitty running gun. Very few ever get to leave this lonely black hole. But you, sir, have the power to make their dreams come true.
Pick me! Pick me!
That's Jan Chadburn. She's been a hopeful gunner for 37 years.
But Run and Gun's only 10 years old.
Crazy, right? These poor, desperate souls. Some old, some new, but all of them for sale.
For how much?
Bag of Welch's, can of bubbly, and a lousy credit on their empty IMDb page. So, who's it gonna be?
Hey, Kev.
Yeah, buddy?
You want to act in my running gun?
Sure.
Great.
Oh, fuck me.
More stupid questions?
Yep.
Why doesn't anyone read the fucking welcome email?
Time. What is time? What does time do? Time passes. Time taketh away.
What if we reverse time?
Emit. Give. Produce. What does it emit? Life itself. We reverse time, we live forever. If we live forever, there's no loss. No loss, no ambition, no lust for life. Death is vital for life to have meaning. That's the film. That's the film!
Dude, it's 4 a.m. and you haven't started writing a script.
Fuck! Come on, pick up.
Bueno, who's this?
Gigi, I'm panicking. I don't have a script. I'm exhausted. I'm desperate. Please help me. What do we do, Gigi? What do we do?
Baby. We're gonna need a bigger crew.
I mean, I feel like we're good.
Yeah, we're fine.
Right?
Like, do big teams make better films?
I mean, she's never won shit, so. Dude, just hang up on her. You think?
Yeah, fuck her, hang up on her ass.
Okay. Thanks, Gigi.
But-
Bye.
We should have gotten a bigger crew.
What? Why?
We don't have enough hands. Everything's going to shit.
What do you mean? I just got here.
Turns out when nobody's getting paid, they're much more likely to be a bunch of fucking flakes.
Wait. Nobody's here?
Costumes got the flu, so I sewed my own shirt.
Oh my god.
We never hired makeup, so I did my own.
It's awful.
And the art department failed, so I had to dress the set.
What the fuck did you do?
I'll tell you what I didn't do. I sure as hell didn't write a flashback to a snowscape in Switzerland and book an interior location on zero budget.
That's what the green screen is for.
There's no VFX team.
Hey, you know what? It's fine. Half of what makes a good movie is sound, and we've got the best sound guy in town.
He got a paid gig. He's gone.
Shit, that son of a bitch fucked me.
I can't say I blame him.
No, he literally fucked me.
He what?
Oh my god, Gigi was right.
You know what? We're gonna have to adjust our day significantly, but at least we have an amazing DP. You brought Karina, right?
I forgot to wake her up.
What do you mean? It's 3 p.m.
I'll be right back.
How do you leave the house without your DP/life partner?
I've got a lot on my mind, okay? Hey, this guy's here.
10-1.
You need to hurry, Ryan. We're way behind schedule.
Hey, that's run and gun for you, baby. We got this, all right? Think fast.